Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by the 3 Miles overpass. This is a double overpass in Jamaica. But basically you have a road, that road straight ahead we're looking at above is Spanish Town Road. And it goes over the intersection of Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road. Now the government plans to build a flyover just like the one we're looking at from Dunrobin Avenue and Constant Spring Road all the way to East King's House Road. This is going to be a massive flyover. It's going to be a game changer for Kingston. Now, I think the first question somebody would ask is, where would they get the land from to build such a flyover? Well, King's House sits on hundreds of acres of land, empty land. But that's not what they're using. They are going to use the gully. They're going to build a flyover over the sandy gully, which is going to be a mega development. But it's the correct route. Now, if built, well, it will be built properly. Chances are it's going to be China Harbour Engineering Company. It will be a game changer because you're going to have a 4-lane dual carriageway to take you from one of the busiest areas in the city, which is the Golden Triangle, where East King's House Road is, to the main road that takes you out of the city, which is Dunrobin Avenue, which leads into Washington Boulevard and then into Mandela Highway. So this project is a game changer, and we'll keep you guys updated on it. And we're going to show you where the interchanges are going to be built on it. So basically, it's a highway that's going to be built above the Sandy Gully. It's going to follow the route of Sandy Gully from Dunrobin all the way up to East King's House Road. So we're going to give you more information on this project. Kingston and St. Andrew are set to receive one of their most significant road infrastructure upgrades in decades, with the planned construction of a new flyover connecting Dunrobin Avenue to East King's House Road. The project is to be built as part of the government's Spark program. It is designed to create a faster, safer, and more efficient east-west route while easing congestion across the corporate area. The proposed roadway will begin near the intersection of Constant Spring Road and Dunrobin Avenue before rising onto an elevated structure that follows the Sandy Gully corridor. Instead of filling the gully, engineers plan to construct the road on bridges and support columns above the watercourse, preserving its drainage function while creating a modern transportation corridor. The flyover will then connect to East King's House Road, giving motorists a direct route into New Kingston and surrounding commercial districts. This new connection is expected to dramatically improve traffic movement across St. Andrew. Today, thousands of commuters rely on heavily congested roads such as Constant Spring Road, Red Hills Road, Hope Road, and Waterloo Avenue. During peak hours, these routes often experience long delays, increasing fuel consumption and reducing productivity. The flyover will provide an alternative corridor that allows vehicles to bypass many of these bottlenecks, shortening travel times and improving reliability for commuters, businesses, and emergency services. The project will also include grade-separated intersections, modern lighting, drainage improvements, road markings, and enhanced safety features. By eliminating several conflict points where vehicles currently compete for road space, the new infrastructure is expected to improve traffic flow and reduce the likelihood of collisions. With an estimated cost of approximately $6.8 billion, the Dunrobin Avenue extension represents one of the flagship investments under the government's $45 billion Spark program, which is focused on modernizing Jamaica's road network through major upgrades and strategic new connections. If completed as planned, the Dunrobin Avenue East King's House Road flyover will become one of the most transformative transportation projects ever undertaken in the Kingston metropolitan area. By creating a new elevated corridor above Sandy Gully, the development promises to improve mobility, reduce congestion, and strengthen the capital's infrastructure for decades to come, supporting Jamaica's long-term economic growth and urban development. Alright guys, that's the end of the update. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.